Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in insurance with Safeco Insurance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in insurance with Safeco Insurance, start by understanding their offerings. Research the types of insurance Safeco provides, such as auto, home, and renter's insurance. Visit the Safeco Insurance website to explore their coverage options in detail. Choose the type of insurance that best fits your needs and financial goals. Create an account on the Safeco website for a personalized experience. Fill out the necessary information, including your contact details and coverage preferences. Request a quote by inputting relevant information about the property or vehicle you wish to insure. Review the quote provided by Safeco to understand the premium and coverage limits. Consider any additional coverage options that may enhance your policy. Compare your quote with other insurance providers to ensure you're getting the best value. Once you're satisfied with the terms, proceed to purchase your policy directly through the website. Provide the required documentation, such as identification and proof of ownership. Make your initial premium payment to activate the policy. After purchasing, take the time to read through your policy details carefully. Keep a record of your policy documents in a safe, easily accessible location. Regularly review your policy to ensure it still meets your needs as your circumstances change. Consider reaching out to a Safeco agent for further assistance or to discuss your investment strategy. Stay informed about new insurance products or changes in coverage options from Safeco. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.